at Meditech Devices Private Limited specialize in all type of venous access catheters. We have a full range of central venous access catheters including implantable ports, PICC catheters and CVC catheters. Today we will demonstrate the Dura central venous catheter. The Dura central venous catheter is made up of flexible kink resistance polyurethane material which contributes to excellent handling. The soft tip catheter enhances the patient comfort and reduces the risk of vessel perforation. There are printed depth marking to assist in accurate central venous placements. It has clear extension lumens for excellent fluid path visualization. It also comes with a unique one-handed guide wire insertion device. The basic set contains radio opaque polyurethane catheter, vessel dilator, Y-shaped introducer needle, suture loop with box clamp, dual-ended nitinol kink resistance guide wire, a 5 ml syringe and knife. The central venous catheter is available in single lumen, double lumen, triple lumen and quadra lumen in adult and pediatric sizes. For further information, please refer to our catalog and visit our website www.meditechdevices.com.